Welcome back, everybody. Ratsudo here, the original hipster, coming to you with, you guessed it, another unboxing. This time, it is the AxcessAble portable DJ booth we ordered from Amazon. This one ranges anywhere between $175 to $250, depending on who and where you order it from. Please make sure that you go over the instructions so you don't miss out on anything. This does come with a carrying case and your choice of a black or white lighting screen. It is fast and easy to put this thing together, but you will need some room, as this is about 45 inches in height, 40 inches in length, and 20 inches in width. But it does not take that long to put together, and it looks super sleek at the end. We did go with the white lighting screens just to show, and at the end of the video we'll have our lights on it so you can see how cool it looks when it lit up. This has been another unboxing by the original hipster. Thanks for watching.